Dear students, welcome to Iqra English School. As you know that we are reading class 5th EVS book, chapter number 9, Up You Go. Now this is the fourth and last part of the chapter. Start reading. A special guest. This is an incident of 15th February 1984. After dinner, we met a special guest, Bichendri Pal. She had just been selected as a part of the team to climb Mount Everest. She had come to seek the blessings of Brigadier Gyan Singh. It was a happy evening. We were all singing. Bichendri also joined us in singing and dancing on the famous Pahadi song. The Pahadi song is Bedu Pako, Bara Masa, Kafal Pako, Chaita, Meri Chaila. At that time, we had no idea that Bichendri would become the first Indian woman to reach Mount Everest and create history. Camp in the snow. This is the incident of 18 February 1984. Now let's start reading. We were standing at a height of 2134 meters. We were to spend a night here. Everyone was busy trying to put up the tent. We used double-layered plastic sheets for the tent and for the ground. The air between the layers would help to keep us warm. We put in the pegs and began to put up the tent. As we tied it from one side, the wind flew the tent from the other side. After quite a lot of pulling and tugging, we managed to get the tent up. Then we dug a drain around the tent. Now I am reading this para. We were feeling very hungry. We collected some firewood and stones to make a chulha and cooked some food. After the meal, we collected all the waste in a bag to clean the campsite. Soon we got into our sleeping bags. As you are watching, this is a sleeping bags. I was not sure if I would be able to sleep in it. Would it be comfortable? Would I not feel cold? But the bags were filled with soft feathers, which helped in keeping us warm. We were all very tired, so very soon we all fell asleep. The next morning, we woke up and found that it was snowing. White, soft, fluffy snowflakes were gently falling. Wow, it was so beautiful. The plants, the trees, the grass, and the mountains, everything looked white. Today, we were to climb higher to 2700 meters. We walked carefully on the snow with the help of sticks. It was difficult because we kept sleeping. By afternoon, we had reached snow-covered mountains. We enjoyed throwing snowballs at each other and making a big snowman. Are you watching? This is a snowman that they had made. Now, last day at camp. This is an incident of 21 February 1984. Now I am reading here. We were getting ready for the campfire. Each group presented a program. We were enjoying telling jokes and laughing, singing and dancing around the campfire. Soon it was midnight. Brigadier Gyan Singh got up and called me. I thought, oh no, what have I done this time? But when Sir announced my name for the Best Performance Award, I stood still. He blessed me and tears of joy rolled down my face. Now there is a question. Discuss, why do you think the drain was dug around the tent? So you can answer, the drain was dug to keep off the insects, scorpions and snakes, etc. Question number 2. Beside mountaineering, what are other activities that can be called adventurous? Why? So, some of the other adventurous activities like hand gliding, river rafting, scuba diving, skydiving, and hot air balloons, etc. Now, I want to tell you, read and listen carefully. These pages of a diary are based on the real experience of Sangeeta Arora, the lady that is telling the story, whose name is Sangeeta Arora. She teaches in Kendriya Vidyalaya, Shalimar Bagh, Delhi, and is also a member of this EVS textbook writing team. Here are also some questions for you. Question number 1. Why did Bechandri Pal put up the Indian flag on the peak? So the answer is Bechandri Pal put up the Indian flag on the peak in the honor of our country. Question number 2. When have you seen our national flag being hoisted? Collect information of our national flag. So you can answer during Independence Day, during the Republic Day celebrations. We have seen our national flag hoisted. Our flag is not only a piece of cloth. Dear students, listen carefully that our flag is not only a piece of cloth, but it represents our country, and we all to respect our flag. Now I am reading this. Have you seen the flag of any other country? Where? So you can answer, of course. I have seen the flag of many countries on the television when the Olympic Games start. So this was the complete explanation of the chapter. I hope, dear students, you must have learned some more things. Listen carefully that these explanations and try to understand. I will give you the summary of this explanation too. Have a good day. God bless you.